Freaky Freddies is a cashback website that promises to help you save money while shopping online. The premise is simple. You sign up, browse through the available deals, and earn cashback on your purchases. But is it really worth your time? Let's dive into the details. First, the sign-up process is straightforward. You create an account with your basic details, and you're ready to start browsing. The site offers a wide range of retailers, from tech gadgets to fashion and even travel. What stands out is the variety of stores available, so you're not limited to a handful of options. One of the things I appreciated about Freaky Freddies is the clean and user-friendly interface. The homepage makes it easy to navigate through categories like top offers or new arrivals, and I didn't have trouble finding the stores I wanted to shop at. The cashback rates for each retailer are clearly displayed, making it easier to compare deals before committing to a purchase. However, there are a few drawbacks. While the site claims to offer great cashback deals, some of the rates can be on the lower side compared to other cashback websites. For example, certain categories, like clothing, might offer just 2 to 4% cashback, which is significantly lower than what I've seen on other platforms. Additionally, the terms and conditions around payouts can be a bit confusing, and there's a minimum payout threshold you need to meet before you can cash out, which can take some time. Another thing to note is the reward tracking. On my first few transactions, it took longer than expected for my cashback to be credited. I had to follow up with customer support, and while they were responsive, it did take some extra effort. So, if you're someone who values quick rewards, this might be something to consider. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One area where Freaky Freddies excels is its referral program. If you refer friends to the platform, you can earn additional cashback or bonuses. This is a nice incentive if you're someone who likes to share deals with others. However, the program could be more transparent in terms of how much you can earn, as some users might feel the rewards don't justify the effort. To summarize, Freaky Freddies has potential, but there are areas where it could improve. The cashback deals are decent, but not the best on the market. The site is easy to navigate, but the payout process can be a bit slow. If you're new to cashback sites, it might be worth exploring, but if you're looking for the highest rates and fastest payouts, you might want to check out some other platforms. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.